Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add a pop-up calendar in Google Sheets. And subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Alright, and show you how to do it. And let's go. And open Google Sheets and open your project or create new project. Okay, alright, and click on this and write data and simple settings. Okay, and this maybe this. All right, okay, and change front and select this and click on data. Open this menu and scroll down and select data validation and click on. All right, and click on right corner, add a rule. Alright, and click on this drop down and scroll down and click on is valid data. Okay, and click on done. Yep, okay, and click on this right corner and cancel this menu and double click. Okay, and select data. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye bye.